Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Piramal Revanta by Piramal Realty located in Mulund West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. You can also see the towers of the project where 5 towers are already launched and now it's the launch of Tower 6, Rayansh. And in this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 12 acres that has total of 6 towers which will be developed phase-wise, where 5 towers are already launched and now coming up with the new launch Tower 6 that you can see named as Tower Rayansh with ground plus 48 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near LBS Road behind Nirmal Lifestyle Mall, Mulund West, from where our mall is only at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. Mulund Station is only at a distance of 2.5 kilometers and Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 3 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, this project has wetrified tiles, granite kitchen platforms, stainless steel sinks and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 50 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it has an infinity swimming pool, gym, senior citizen zone, kids play area, banquets, garden, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now let's have a look at the master plan of the project. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Piramal project. Here you can see 6 tower having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK with 2 BHK of 855 square feet, 2 plus study of 1040 square feet and 3 BHK of 1354 square feet. And now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 6 with each floor having 8 flats, 6 lifts plus 1 fire lift, total 7 and 2 staircase in each floor. And now let's have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 855 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2.5 BHK of 1040 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1354 square feet. And talking about the parking part, this project has MLCP car park. And now talking about the maintenance of the project varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 11,000 to 12,000 per month, 2.5 BHK maintenance ranging between 13,000 to 14,000 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 17,000 to 18,000 per month. And now talking about the possession, this project is developed phase-wise with 5 towers already launched and now Tower 6 has the RERA possession date for June 2030 but the target possession is for June 2029. Also, to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Piramal Revanta by Piramal Realty located in Mulund West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.